You will never know too many turnarounds. So in this video I'll teach you the turnaround from Before You Accuse Me from Eric Clapton from the recording Unplugged. It's a great turnaround. It's played in an acoustic blues style in the key of E, but I'll also show you how to transpose it into other keys and use it in a band context when you are the lead guitarist, no matter if you're playing the electric or the acoustic guitar. And also, as a little bonus, I'll teach you the complete intro, which is pretty simple. So I'll play you the complete intro. It's 2 bars playing around with the E chord. I'll show you what I'll do. And the turnaround. 2, 3, 4. Let's learn it. Hello and welcome. My name is Andi and this is a place where blues guitar is made easy. If you want to download the tab, then you can check the description below where I'll put a link for you. Also, it's best if you just subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss a video again, and also hit that little bell sign. So let's start. We'll have a lick that's completely from the blues scale. The blues scale is just the minor pentatonic plus the flatted fifths. So what's the minor pentatonic? Most of you will probably know it. It's usually the first scale that anybody learns. It's an E and the 3rd fret, A and 2nd fret. That would be the minor pentatonic, and in between is the flatted fifths. Then we'll have the open D and the 2nd fret, and that's already the lower octave. Now the higher octave, open G, 2nd fret, and here is the flatted 5th again. On the 3rd fret, open B, 3rd fret, open E, 3rd fret. So that's all the notes that are in this lick. And what we'll have here is so 1 and low E, high E. And now it's a few triplets. 2 and 3, open 3. Open 3 on the B string, and now with the middle finger 3 on the G string, the flatted fifths. Oh yeah, great sound. And so far, next triplet we'll just move down 1 fret and then open, hammer on. And then we'll land on the 1, which is the root E on the 2nd fret of the D string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Up strum, or you could play a low E or both on the end, and then 2 and now we are on the B, the end of the turnaround, and here we can just strum a little bit. So we'll hit 2 Bs, 3 and 4 and a few up strums like 1 and 2 and, so the whole turnaround. 3, 4, 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and to play the complete intro, we'll need to know this chord. This is a D7. We'll move it up 2 frets to the E7. And then we'll have 2 bars of just quarter notes of E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll add a little bit of upward strumming with the index finger. Eric Clapton wouldn't do it the same way each evening. He wouldn't do it the same way on the same evening. So the rhythm is really not important. I'll just play you one example, like 1 and 2 and 3 and. The important thing is on the next one, you have to move down 1. 1 and 2, and on the 3 you'll move down another 1. 3 and 4 and 1. And now we are on the beginning of the turnaround. So I'll play you the complete intro. 1 with the E, 1 fret down, E flat, D, hammer is optional, but it sounds really great. So when you land on the E, you play a G, hammer on, pull off, and another hammer on. Here. Just before you go into this. Now let's say we want to play in another key, like A. So if we put a capo on the 5th fret, that would be the key of A, because the lowest fret, the lowest string at the 5th fret is an A. And now if I play that same thing again, now it's in the key of A. Now we want to do it without the capo, and so we have to refinger the blues minor scale. So that's the fingering. We have the low A, and then the high A, the triplet, note here, I am sliding with my ring finger, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And now I usually leave out this note and only play these 3 notes because I think it sounds better. 1 and 2 and. Another way to play it, to fatten it up, is to play chords on these 3 bass notes. So what I'll do here is I'll use a C7th chord, which is a C chord with the added pinky, and then I only use the lower 3 notes. So it's middle on A3, index on D2, and ring on G3. Moved up 2 frets, it's D, D sharp, and E. These are all 7th chords, root, 3rd, major 3rd, and minor 7ths. And then it sounds like this: 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. You can leave that hanging, ringing, or you can also just strum something like you did on the final chord in the original key. And just like we moved it to the key of A, now you can move it to any other key if you know the notes on the low E string. Just put your index there and play it. So I really hope you enjoy learning from these little video lessons from me as much as I enjoy creating them. Of course, in these videos I only can show you a little bit here, a little bit there. So if you want to learn about my systematic approach, my real method, my complete method, then just send me an email and we can talk about some lessons via Skype if you like. So with this being said, my name is Andi and I'll see you in the next video.